guys, I'm Miuccamatics and welcome back to my YouTube channel Miuccamatics. If you like math related videos, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my videos. Today I'll be doing the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic progression or an AP. Now this is an AP with common difference d, so the terms are a, that is the first term, the next term will be a plus d, the third term a plus 2d and so on. Until it reaches a plus n minus 2d and a plus n minus 1d. This is the last term, also denoted by L. Now these are the first n terms of the AP. N terms because it basically starts from a plus 0d and ends at a plus n minus 1d. So 0 to n minus 1. So instead of 1 to n, it's 0 to n minus 1. So the total number of terms are n minus 1 plus 1, so which is just n, so n terms. Now sum of the first n terms of the AP will basically be Sn is a plus d plus a plus 2d plus dot 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 plus a plus n minus 2d plus a plus n minus 1d. Now we can also write Sn by reversing the order. So basically start with the last term a plus n minus 1d plus a plus n minus 2d plus a plus n minus 3d plus dot 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 plus a plus d plus a, just the reverse of the above. Now if we add these two equations, basically we will get twice of Sn, giving you, if you notice, each time you will get 2a plus n minus 1d, 2a plus n minus 2 plus 1 which is n minus 1 again, 2a plus n minus 3 plus 2 which is again n minus 1, 2a plus n minus 2 plus 1 which is again n minus 1, and 2a plus n minus 1d, and this is repeated. Now if you notice, since there are n terms of an AP, this will be repeated n times. So basically this becomes twice of Sn is equal to n times 2a plus n minus 1 into d, and dividing by 2 on both sides we get Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now this is one formula for sum of the first n terms. You can also convert this to the second form. So basically we can write this as a plus n minus 1 into d, writing 2a as a plus a. Now we know this is the last term of the AP, just as I showed you earlier, a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is denoted by L. So sum of the first n terms of an AP can also be written as n by 2 into a plus L.